So we got the size of a bone.
Looks pretty good when the flames come out, yeah?
I like it. It looks cool. I think he blamed out.
Get out here, get a little air going, blow the flames out.
Gotta give her the
Yep, there they go. Got them blown out. Gary Miller.
I mean, gee.
I don't think they were hung up. Looks like they're loose. Miller back to moving a little bit. Carter, he's out. Got pushed over. Full range. The oats, Gary. They keep getting a little bigger, and then they blow out.
Well, you know what?
I'm a pyro man. Oh, yeah.
Come on now.
Miller's on fire, then he's out of fire, then he's in fire, then he's out of fire.